Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to accept team invites from strangers on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on this button that you can find at the bottom of the screen on the right side. Then click on settings on the right side at the top, which is the second button. Then go to this right side column and tap on privacy and social down below. Then you should scroll down to the second category, which is connections, and here you can set the accept team invites from strangers section, which can be found in the second column. Within this section, that's the third option, so click on enable and then it will be turned on automatically. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.